Rider number 83 took it out front in the first two races, now the feature. Martin Sturm, Jason Diebel, Corey Esker, Christy Macias, and Ralph Brackenberry running our lawnmowers, and this is the feature mower race.
Hey guys, looking at the time, we're going to try to give you guys 6 laps, a second set of motos. 6 laps, a second set of motos. So it's going to go a little bit slower, but I want to make sure you guys enjoy it. So we're going to try 6 laps, but at the end, if something happens time-wise, we got to have our big bike money moto, so your laps may get cut. So I know at least most of them are going to get 6 laps. We're going to try to get everybody 6 laps, and then the big bike money moto at the end. Depends on how many minutes we have left. Everybody having fun in the stands? Everybody having fun? All right. Thanks for coming out, guys.
It's hard to feel.
Precious child, and no mother's love. How it's the little things in life that mean the most, not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I've come to know.